Okay, this movie is for constructions on the unit on circles. We're going to construct a line tangent to a circle, construct an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle, construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle, and construct a square inscribed in a circle. We're going to start with the square. And so to construct a square inscribed in a circle, always start with a point that represents the center of our circle, and then from there put your compass on and create a circle. At any point during the movie, pause it, try it on your own, and then press play when you're finished. Now, the property of a square that we're going to be using is this idea that a square has diagonals that are congruent and perpendicular. So the first thing we're going to draw is a diameter, which represents the diagonal to this square. So we're going to call that AB. And this is one diagonal to our square. We're going to construct another one, and in order for it to be perpendicular, we are going to chenille between the two. So open more than halfway, arc above and below, preserve the distance, go to A, do the exact same thing. Connect those two dots. Now when you connect this with a line, I'm going to be strategic and stop at the circle because these 2 points will represent my other vertices, C and D, and those will be A, B, C, and D are my vertices of my square because my diagonals are congruent, they're all radii of the same circle, and perpendicular. So congruent makes this a rectangle, and perpendicular makes it a rhombus, therefore this figure is a square. Now connect all vertices, and you have a square A, C, B, D. Try that on your own. And then we'll go to the next construction. We are going to construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. So start with the center of the circle, draw a circle. And the trick to this one sort of stems from a lesson that we skipped. And that is, when you create your circle, preserve the radius of this circle with your compass. Then, with your compass open to the radius, put your point on just random point. It doesn't matter where you start on this circle, but then you do a little arc that represents the radius. Then I'll move my point to that arc and do another one. And I'm just going to work my way around this circle, putting my compass point on that, representing the radius length all the way around. And when you do that, what you see is that you get 6 points, 6 equidistant points all the way around the circle. And if I connect these, I get a regular hexagon. So what's cool about a regular hexagon is that the radius of the circle is the distance between the vertices on the circle. So it's quite easy just to use the radius preserved on the compass, mark it all the way around, and we get equidistant lengths all the way around, giving us a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. Try that on your own. Press play when you are finished. The next one is constructing an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. And what's lovely about a triangle is it has 3 vertices, which would be half of what a hexagon has. So if you think of connecting every other vertice of the hexagon, then you're connecting and creating a triangle. So that's essentially what we're going to do here. Start with the center of your circle. Draw a circle. Preserve the radius, mark the radius around the circle, just like we did with the hexagon. Now this is going to give me 6 points. I don't need 6, I just need 3. So I'm going to highlight every other one. And that gives me 3 vertices that will give me an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. And so that's how you construct an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. Okay, pause the movie, try that on your own. Press play when you are finished. We are now going to construct a line tangent to a circle. So we're going to start off with a point, draw a circle, okay. Now, to do a tangent line, what we're going to do is draw a radius on this circle. It doesn't matter where this radius is going, but what we're going to do is strategically take the radius and extend it beyond. So this point right here, point A, is going to be the point of tangency. My radius is going to hit that point. The line that I want to create goes here. It's going to be tangent to the circle at point A, and the radius will be perpendicular to it. So we are basically constructing a line perpendicular to this line that goes through point A and is perpendicular to a point on the line. So the first thing you do is you take your compass, put it on point A, and you want to construct an arc on either side. This will give you 2 equidistant points on either side of A, so we can Chanel. So I'm going to call these points B and C. That's point B. This is point C. It also looks like a TIE fighter. And we're going to Chanel between B and C. So put your point on one of them, open up more than halfway, and I'm just going to do an arc above and below. Preserve the distance and do the same from the other point, above and below. And where they intersect should be the line that's perpendicular to this line. It should also go through A. That's the line that is perpendicular to my radius, and it goes through point A. So this is my tangent line. And that is how you do all 4 constructions in Unit 12. Thank you for watching.